Do you want to immediately get rid of rising damp that affects the masonry of your home so that you can paint in only 15 days without delays? Right after Mursak Eco is installed, and without having to wait for the wall to dry out, you can replaster the damaged masonry with the draining mortar, which greatly speeds up the drying process and prevents the effects of salt crystallization. Draining literally behaves as a parking lot for the salt that you have in the walls. The dehumidifying draining mortar has an outstanding performance that will allow you to paint in only 15 days. I'm Ramon Mestre, CEO at Humicontrol. Getting rid of humidity is not easy at all if you don't have the right solutions and the assessment of the best experts on humidity. We are here to help you.